Welcome, everybody, to a meeting with the guides. My name is Ed Langan. I am a master mindset coach, a law of attraction expert, a psychic channel, and a spiritual teacher. Other than that, I am just a regular dude, whatever that might be. I channel the ascended ones, a group of ascended masters and helpers and healers. In non-physical, there is no linear time. And the fact that there is no linear time means that everything is happening all at once. There is no past, there is no present, there is no future. There's only now, and everything is happening now. So why would there be linear time in your physical experience? What is the point of having linear time? And that's a great question, and we're glad you asked. And we're going to answer it this way. When you are surprised by something, there's an element of timing. When you are amused, right? Your stand-up comedians, your people who tell jokes tell you that telling a joke is all about the timing of it. It's all about the timing of the punchline. So in physical, that is possible. In non-physical, it's not. So we cannot be surprised. We have a different understanding of humor than what you have. The difference is in your physical perspective with linear time, you have the opportunity to experience your emotions. Now, from non-physical, we are all vibrational, and we are all on vibration, and we have a much stronger positive flow, positive vibration, and it doesn't fluctuate. Whereas in physical, you have the ability to fluctuate and experience all the different vibrations of all the different emotions. You jumped into the physical reality very eager to go in to experience. You look at your little ones and how excited they are and how eager they are to get their hands into stuff and to experience and to feel and to be part of it, because you were so eager to get here to feel the emotions, all of them, not just the positive ones, but also the negative ones. Because from your emotions, you're able to fine tune and choose and decide. When something doesn't feel good to you, you automatically ask for something that feels better. When something feels really good for you, you automatically ask for more. And that is happening on a subconscious level. You are always asking, you are always sending out what Abraham through Esther Hicks refers to as rockets of desire. And the asking happens automatically. Now, when you're learning that you create your own reality, which you all do, you begin to tune by using your emotions, by paying attention to how things feel. Your thoughts can lead you all over the place. You can think good thoughts and positive thoughts. You can think negative thoughts. And the thing is, whatever it is you're focused on and whatever it is you're thinking about, you're attracting more of. So there has to be another way for you to manage that, for you to understand that. And the way that is it's through your emotions. Now, each emotion has a vibration, but there are only two emotions: love and fear. There are all of these over here, and there are all of these flavors and all of these degrees, but they all feel good. This is love. There are all these over here, and there's all these flavors and all these degrees, but they all feel bad. This is fear. Now, we're also going to call the love side allowing, and we're going to call the fear side asking. Now, asking is a part of this, and as we said, when you're in the negative emotions, you're asking for things to be more positive. You're always asking. What happens with the human is they miss when they're in the negative emotion. They justify when they're in the negative emotion. They explain why they're in the negative emotion. They explain why things are bad. They continue to harp on everything being difficult and explain and justify where they are, and all that does is keep them over here. Whereas your emotions are to remind you if it doesn't feel good, perhaps you want to move over to the other side where the emotions do feel good, where you are in alignment with your soul, where you are connected with all that is, and you're allowing your energy to flow. Your emotions are the key to this. And as you understand your emotions and you're able to modulate the vibrations of them so that when you have time when you're asking, and yes, you are going to have time when you're asking. You didn't come here to spend all your time here. It's a balance. There's sometimes asking, sometimes allowing. So we never want you to think that negative emotions are bad or wrong, or asking is bad or wrong. That is not the case. It's not true. But we want you to think about how long you want to stay here, as opposed to getting back to the allowing side, to the love side, and to allowing the energy to flow. You came here with great purpose. You came here very, very eager, very, very excited. And the linear time gives you the ability and the opportunity to feel and to explore your emotions, which help you understand how you're flowing your energy, where your vibration is, and it also helps you shift and move it. That's the difference between no time and linear time. And that's the difference. Part of there's other differences, but that is one of the big differences between non-physical and physical. And we feel like that was a lot, and that is a good place for us to start. So with that, we will open it up to questions.